Not every escape needs an airplane ticket. Sometimes, all you need is a full tank of gas, a good cup of coffee, and the right people beside you. Hi guys, Captain Burns here. Today, wala muna tayong lipad, but we're still taking off. Taking off from stress. So today, I'm taking you to one of our favorite hidden places. This is Cafe Bonjour, located at SLEX northbound Santa Rosa, Laguna. Hindi ito yung tipong cafe na kailangan mong pumila ng isang oras para lang makabili ng kape. Hindi rin ito yung cafe na kailangan mong sumigaw para marinig ng kasama mo dahil sa sobrang daming tao. Simple lang siya, tahimik, relaxing. At iyon mismo ang dahilan kung bakit gusto namin dito. Kapag sobrang pagod kami ni Mrs., kapag ang dami naming iniisip, kapag kailangan namin huminga sandali, dito kami tumatambay. Quick escape lang, parang mini vacation na hindi kailangan ng leave form. May maliit na coffee shop, may convenience store, at maraming open spaces. Nothing extravagant, pero minsan, hindi mo kailangan ng luxury para sumaya. You just need peace. Isa sa mga favorite naming gawin dito is pag-usapan ang mga pangarap namin. Habang umiinom ng kape, nagpaplano kami. Ano ang next goal? Ano ang next business? Ano ang next destination? Papaano ba tayo magiging better than yesterday? Si Mrs. may sarili siyang pangarap. Ako naman, simple lang. One day, magkaroon ng sariling bahay at balang araw, maging isang commercial airline pilot. Alam nyo, napansin ko lang, hindi tayo laging kailangan magbakasyon ng malayo. Sometimes, 1 hour away from the city is enough to recharge your heart. Just like our phones, our minds also need charging. Hindi pwedeng trabaho, problema. Trabaho na naman, then problema na naman. Paulit-ulit. Kailangan din natin mag-pause, huminga, magkape, at mangarap ulit. So, if you're looking for a quiet place to unwind after work or somewhere to spend quality time with your family, I highly recommend checking out Cafe Bonjour. Simple, peaceful, and exactly the kind of place that reminds you to slow down. So guys, thank you for joining our little escape today. I hope this video reminds you that chasing your dreams is important, but don't forget to rest along the way, because a well-rested pilot flies farther. This is Captain Burns signing off. See you on the next flight.